Jack's over there stoking the fire. But here it is. I've been working on this all day. We made some major progress. Got everything cleaned up. It's amazing that I burned this entire building. And we didn't use hardly any, in the very beginning we used a little bit of equipment. This is the last little pile of stuff I have. I'm gonna save all the wood. It's a bunch of old cedar siding and a couple sheets of plywood. And there's some stuff in those bins that I couldn't part with. Some treasures. I can turn around and get a shot of this place though. So now I'm sure anybody that's been watching this, listening to my ideas. So I'm gonna put a little ring, kind of like a boxing ring. It's not gonna be an octagon like a proper MMA ring. We'll just put a little, some sort of ring. We'll rope it off. We were talking about maybe getting some rubber mats. I was gonna get, I think I have, my mom's house, we have some horse stall mats. So we're gonna get those, put them down. And then we'll start moving all of our workout equipment down here. You can see the house up there. The house is behind the garage. I have endless work to do around here. It never ends. Tomorrow I'm gonna get rid of this pile here. This was our old fire pile. I see you, Jack. But we originally had two fires going at once. That's why we were able to burn it. I was really hesitant to burn right on the pile. At first I thought about just burning everything right in the middle of the concrete slab, but I was scared that it was going to damage the slab. And I'm really glad I didn't do it. Really going to try to get into the fitness thing and really start trying to talk about what we do to stay in shape and stuff like that. As you can see, my little pyro firebug over here has been doing this with me all day. What time did we get out here today? Maybe like 7 in the morning, roughly. Got my first weights down here. Got the 50s. Get started with here, right? Another thing I'm going to be doing a lot of stuff on is a medicine ball. One of my favorites. Like this.
I never seen that one.
You never saw this one? This is the best. This gets your chest great.
Yeah.
So we'll be doing a lot of that. All right. That's crazy. All that smoke. Oh, I'm bouncing all over the place. Hey, Luke. Jack, do we have the craziest driveway ever?
Yeah.
This is our very first fire in here in at least 15 years since there was an actual cabin here when we first bought it and we had a fire. Maybe once or twice, so wish us luck. We'll see how this goes. Hopefully the whole thing doesn't just fall over.
Onto us. Onto us. Nate, Shannon, table we just put down here. Well, Ellie.
This is definitely not bush crap. push grab. Ooh, stop. Is this fun, Jack?
Yeah. That is a patio.
Yeah, you think it's too nice to turn into like a workout area?
I don't
What do you
know.
think?
No, it's not.
Too nice?
It's not too much.
Not too nice? I'm not saying it's so nice, but maybe to use it for working out.
I trying to put up a gym environment and a catnip area kind of.
You want to make it your camping area?
Yeah.
That's a good idea. It's definitely a nice hangout. It sucks because now I am definitely reconsidering all of my plans for this, so it's changing by the minute. I just don't know what to do. I'm just excited about having this all done, or not done, but this close to being done. I think we should go get dinner and have it down here. Well, maybe not with this burning. Yeah, as long as this trash fire is burning, we might not.
We should put it out. So I get it burnt enough.
We'll let it burn a little. We'll let that burn a little bit more.
I did it drain by it. I only need to put a wooden set in it.
Kind of see the house through the trees, not much. Whoever designed this really knew what they were doing. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. The amount of heat that's coming out of here is unreal.
This one has none.
Maybe it's clogged. Here, actually, you know. Yep. Slow it down.